Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you some of the new products on my right hand. This is a full display and single racks. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the length of the unit, it's about like a 25 and 3/4 inches wide. And include the basket, the depth is about like a 14 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 59.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit is coming with single set of racks. So they total have 5 layers and each drawer 1 layer. And the dimensions of these pantries, it is about like a 14 inches wide and 22.5 inches long. Depth is about like a 3 inches. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.